Sony unveiled 3 new mid-range smartphones at CES this week: the Xperia XA2, XA2 Ultra, and L2. All 3 are now up for pre-order in both the US and the UK. Best Buy is the retailer to go to if you want to be among the first people in the US to own one of these handsets. The company will charge you $349.99 for the XA2, $449.99 for the XA2 Ultra, and $249.99 for the L2. The XA2 is offered in silver, black, blue, and pink. The XA2 Ultra comes in silver, black, blue, and gold. The L2 is available in black, gold, and pink. All of these are the single SIM models. They will all be released on February 16. It's important to note that these will be the first Sony devices with working fingerprint sensors in the US. Over in the UK, both Clove and Unlocked Mobiles have started pre-orders for the trio, with the former expecting stock by the end of the month, and the latter saying it will start shipping on January 22. The XA2 starts at £298, the XA2 Ultra at £378, and the L2 at £198.